Hey, Attorney Montgomery here, and one of the questions that I get quite often is, can I get full custody as a dad? And the answer to that is maybe, because that's the answer to most questions that people ask lawyers. Let's talk about it. Let's dig into it. Now, courts in Georgia do not favor mom or dad. I know. No, the courts favor mom. They favor mom. No, in Georgia, they don't favor mom over dad. Parents are considered to have equal rights, especially for coming out of a marriage where the parents are considered to have equal rights, equal time with their children. So what if we were not married? Okay, so that goes a little bit deeper, because if you are not married, then did you petition the court for rights to your child as a dad in the state of Georgia? No, but I signed a birth certificate, I pay support, I see the child all the time. In Georgia, you still need to file for legitimation and be given rights, custody, visitation rights to your child. So with that being said, what does that look like? You file for legitimation. Legitimation is going to anticipate custody, visitation, and child support, okay? Now, the parties can come to their own agreements, and the courts are going to take that into consideration if they deem it to be in the best interest of the child. So we've both decided not to pay child support. That's not the way it works, because child support cannot be waived by either parent. We have to look at, what does the child need, and is the child's needs being met without one parent having to pay child support to the other. And if it's deemed that, yes, it is okay, it is acceptable, it is in the child's best interest, let's say you guys have, a 50-50 split, 1 week on, 1 week off, then yes, there's an opportunity for that, or 2 weeks with this parent, 2 weeks with that parent. There's an opportunity for there to not be any child support there as well. They're going to look in and factor in the how much each party is making. That's going to be a consideration that they're going to look at. So there's a lot of factors under OCGA 1993 that Georgia courts are going to look at, no matter what county you live in. That is a statute that they're going to look at. And in that statute, it outlines what the courts are going to consider when we're talking about custody, child support, visitation, the whole nine, okay? So you got to petition the court. How involved are you? Are you an active, involved parent? Are you providing support? All of those things are going to be looked at. And then there are instances, and I, for one, have been the one to do it, my firm, rather, not specifically me sometimes, but maybe one of my other attorneys. We have been able to get primary custody to the dad. Yes, that is a real thing. Yes, it can happen. So, hit us up. Send us a pound, or send us a DM and say dad's rights, and let's get you on the calendar and scheduled, and let's see what we can do to help you out. All right? Talk to you soon.